Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following mini cars here. So now let's check with me from the first one, this one first. Okay, now I start checking. Firstly, I have to put some waters, everybody. The first one, bulldozer, mini bulldozer, yellow body. Racing car, number 9, a nice racing car number 9. Iron Man, black color, Iron Man, black color, everybody. How about this one? Another bulldozer, mini racing car, yellow color. Another racing car, different color, green color. Racing super motorbike, number 46, pink color. About this one, truck. Okay, another one, transportation truck with different colors, with colorful. Okay, everybody. Now check the next one. Mini airplane, green color. A nice airplane. This one is my favorite mini airplane. You can see here, very nice, everybody. Okay, everyone. So now I have to walk forward and check another interesting truck here. With the first one, green racing car. This one is a metal racing car, green color, nice color. Cubby truck, mini cubby truck with a red hat. Truck, mini truck. About this one, shoot mini car. Bulldozer, mini bulldozer. How about this one, everybody? A forklift. Mini cement mixer truck, with cute colors. Now check the next one. How about this one, everybody? Racing car, mini racing car, yellow color. Racing super motorbike. No, not a racing car, but it is a racing super motorbike. About this one, 4-wheel super motorbike. Okay, everybody, how about this hero Batman, black color. Everybody, let's move forward again and check the next track with lot of interesting cars. Mini truck, mini cement mixer truck, shoot car, a broken racing car with 3 wheels, forklift, cement mixer truck. How about this one? A cute truck, I love this one, everybody. If you do, please write down. Now check a last one. A gray airplane. This one is a mini airplane, gray color. Okay, so now thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.